Alright you guys, so this is Toya coming to you again with my, I'm gonna say my update, final review video. Okay, let me say, this is not truly a final review because I have not done everything to this hair that people possibly do to test the hair out to see if the hair is good. Like for instance, I've never applied heat to the hair. I've been wearing this hair way over 2 months, so I've never applied heat except for curling my bangs, and that's it. I've never applied heat anywhere else. I've seen a couple of YouTube videos of people who applied heat and their curls have like, the waves have like fallen out the hair, so I didn't want to chance it. So I decided to keep the hair in its natural state at all times. I wash the hair, I condition it, deep condition it in the microwave. The waves bounce right back. My hands slide straight through. I rarely get any strands. I mean, like shedding. This right here was a good batch. I got 3 good batches of hair. So, and I hope that my body wave hair is as good as this hair. So, pretty waves. Compliments all the time. This hair is still soft. Does not have a smell. I've never had a smell. Never encountered a smell even after I've washed the hair. I was going to color the hair. I was thinking maybe dyeing it black. Decided not to do that. I was gonna maybe do a red color. Decided not to do that. I was gonna dip my ends and, well, you know, maybe color my ends a blonde, honey blonde. Decided not to do that. And I was gonna ombre the hair. Decided not to do that either. What I decided to do, I won some hair from Divalicious Brazilian hair, and also purchased some hair from Queen Hair Products in a body wave. And what I'm gonna do, I ombre the hair instead. And I just want to kind of keep this hair in its original state as possible without possibly damaging the hair any kind of way. But there are tons of reviews on YouTube of other people who've done thorough things to the hair and who've styled the hair, who've used heat. I never used heat, and my hair is still good. Like, it still bounce right back. Did the video, so if you guys enjoyed, if you have any questions, leave me a comment below or hit my inbox. Talk to y'all later. Bye.